pitch right before I came, so you're in for a surprise. Well, thank you all for coming. My name's Tommy Stanek. I've been a construction contractor executive for over a decade, and I was tasked with finding and fixing problems within our organization. And most are no strangers to the biggest problems plaguing this industry: surprise costs, scheduling delays, poor communication. In my effort to find solutions, I had to first identify the cause. And I found that the problem stems from all the information coming at us, at all contractors, simultaneously. It's like a data tsunami, and you can imagine, when you're forced to make quick decisions, rarely do they turn out to be the most efficient. It's just too much information that is constantly changing, leaving contractors guessing at the most efficient approach. This tsunami leaves behind in its wake a gaping hole. It's a vacuum of material and labor losses, costing everyone $570 billion annually out of all of our pockets. The customers, the contractors, and the taxpayers too. After all, it's contractors building our city's roadways, buildings, and our country's infrastructure. $570 billion of your money, poof, gone. And now that I figured out what's causing the surprise costs and delays, all I needed to do was choose one of the many software solutions currently available on the market to fix our problem. But you don't need me to tell you how the current software solutions are helping this industry. Based on consumer complaints, construction contractors are the second most complained about industry in the US for years running. That tells us, and I can tell you from experience, the solutions currently available on the market make us work harder and don't solve our problems. And that's why we built the Graceful Management System, the first and only software solution that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning so contractors can ride that data tsunami. And it works like a GPS. It tells you how long it's going to take to get there and how much it'll cost. It builds the schedule and maps the way for you. Then it delegates turn-by-turn instructions, and should anyone go off course, it's got a feedback loop. You all know it as recalculating route, self-updating the schedule and all delegated tasks for you, and it stays in that cycle until customer satisfaction when the project is completed. Updating the analytics, continuously getting smarter for the next estimate. There's a lot under the hood, but it's as easy to use as Amazon or Google Maps. Everyone can see schedules. Everyone has to clock in and out. Subcontractors too. Everyone has a task list prioritized for them. The GMS is tracking if everyone is completing their tasks on time, early, or late, and then self-adjusts the schedules and impacted tasks accordingly. The sales team and accounting too have tasks delegated, tracked, to forecast and cross-reference in real time coming commissions, cash flow, overhead, specifically to keep margins fine-tuned on new projects being estimated. The contractor's customers can log in and see everything going on too. Better yet, anyone can create a login and do their own estimate for a project through the GMS portal by answering the same drop-down questions the sales team would need to answer. In real time, anyone can get a budget number, see a schedule tailor-built for the estimate they're requesting, look at before and after pictures of the projects the GMS is extracting the data from, see a tentative start date, all before having to talk to any salesperson. If you're a contractor that is tired of having to work for your software and are ready for a software solution to work for you, on your screen, click the button to request to be a beta tester for free. If you're an investor, this opportunity is beyond profitable. The total addressable market in the US is 3.7 million contractors. The serviceable available market is the 59% of contractors still looking for a software solution that works for them. But we're starting with residential contractors. 1.8 million contractors times $650 a month is $14 billion annually. There's revenue streams, but this is a revenue faucet. The SaaS is already beyond lucrative, and down the line, we'll be adding advertising,
and selling access to the data to property insurance companies and material distributors. In 3 years, we'll have 430 SaaS subscribers with $280,000 in monthly reoccurring revenue. Our subscribers will get a return on investment of $50,000 annually right out of the box, and they'll see a 15% decrease in material and labor losses after the first couple of years. That's me on the left, and my smarter and better looking co-founder and CTO is on the right. Victor Sambeda has his master's in artificial intelligence, and he has meticulously mapped out this scalable Herculean intelligent engine for our patent application. In this last year alone, we launched a stubbed out prototype. We won the first pitch competition we ever competed in. We were awarded our first grant, and we got accepted into this nation's biggest startup incubator, Generator's G-Beta program. Join us in our mission to help contractors and their employees stop drowning. Join us in our mission to save our communities from losing their hard-earned money to this gaping hole. If you're ready to be a part of this solution, join us in the next big tech disruption. We're looking for beta testers, we're looking for a marketing intern, and we're looking for an investor to fund the machine learning engine build through beta testing. If you want to learn more about any of these opportunities, please click on the button on your screen to schedule a meeting to learn more.
Hey Google, drive me to a unicorn.
Turn right!
From construction chaos to a graceful experience.